Eastern Tabletop is rolling out the latest innovation in their line of rolling buffet service pieces with the Flipkart Rolling Buffet. A timeless buffet piece with modern design and functionality, the Flipkart gets its name from its ability to flip its top, giving this one piece two striking, distinct looks. This multi-purpose cart is perfect for buffet use, bar service, passing, or even double up two carts for a complete coffee station. Available in two designs, the pram or rounded look, each Flipkart is made with a full-service stainless steel structure, including stainless steel edge shelves, making it practically indestructible in service. And the stainless steel frame can be finished in a variety of colors available from Eastern Tabletop's Xylo brand coloring process to match your decor or to give your cart a unique look. And its rubber locking casters travel safely between tile or carpet surfaces and lock in place for a stationary buffet or display. When the event is over, slip on the protective dust cover for safe and easy storage. Speak to your Eastern Tabletop sales rep to learn more about this and other products, and for a full line of hollowware and buffetware, visit us at easterntabletop.com.